Hello everyone. Ang ating discussion in our today's session is all about construction safety practices. So what is then construction safety? Construction safety actually involves any safety procedure that is related to the construction industry or construction sites. Construction safety aims to ensure that a construction site or the industry as a whole is not the cause of immediate danger to the public around the construction site or the workers at the construction site, as well as making sure that the finished product of construction meets required safety standards. Dapat laging sinisiguro ng sino mang contractor na simula pa lang ng proyekto hanggang sa ito'y matapos, kailangan na meet lahat ng minimum requirements na kailangan sa safety. And make sure na hindi yung proyekto ang magiging sanhi ng kahit na anong sakuna or panganib sa mga mamamayan natin, sa publiko, or lahat ng mga taong nakapalibot sa construction site, and not only the public but also the workers of the contractor inside the construction site. Kailangan tiyaking ligtas sa mga tao sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng PPE or personal protective equipment. Excavation. During the excavation project or activity, meron din tayong mga danger na maaaring may encounter during the construction operation in the project. It is defined as making a depression or cavity in the earth's surface. The principal hazard associated with excavation are the following. Maaaring masuffocate ang worker sa hukay or tinatawag nating suffocation. Kailangan alam natin yung mga precautionary measures na maaari nating gawin habang nagko-construct ang mga manpower natin inside the construction site habang ito'y nag-excavate ang mga tao. And then crushing or other injury from falling debris or falling material, kailangan tiyakin natin na safe yung mga employees natin, nakasuot ng hard hat, at kung ano pang mga PPE na kailangan nila habang sila ay nag-work. Concrete formwork and shoring. Safety in the installation of a finished concrete structure starts with its design. A competent engineer should design the formwork for all structures, requiring the use of shoring and for large floors to be made at below ground level. Some of hazards associated with concrete installations are failure of inadequately designed installed forms and shoring. Tsakin lamang natin ang mga forma natin, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga slabs and beams na matitibay yung mga yan. And hindi bibigay ang konkreto o ang buhos na ating ini-install during the concreting process. Pre-stressed concrete includes use of exposed steel, bars, transwidth mats, latent energy. So this is another hazard associated with concrete installation. Let's talk about scaffolding and ladders. The major hazards associated with the use of scaffolding and ladders are: first, we have the falling men. Second, falling materials or tools. Dapat ang mga scaffolding natin, takin natin na matatag. And then may tamang tuntungan yung ating mga workers. Make sure na may mga safety belt sila at saka hard hat and other personal protective equipment para ma-avoid natin yung aksidente during the construction. Welding, burning, and cutting. The major hazards associated with burning and welding operations are heat and fire. Proper care of welding and burning equipment is a requisite for minimizing hazards. All gas cylinders shall have their content clearly labeled. Hand and power tool. Appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety goggles and gloves, must be worn to protect against hazards that may be encountered while using hand tools. Power tools must be fitted with guards and safety switches. They are extremely hazardous when used improperly. So, ano yung mga hazards na associated when using hand and power tools? First, failure or disintegration of tool. Second one, proximity to moving or cutting parts of tool. How about materials handling? Safe lifting is only one aspect of material handling. Transporting the load safely is the other. How you move or carry and put down the load is just as important as how you pick it up gently. The hazards associated with material handling are: first, falling or moving material and equipment. Second, pinching or crushing. Industrial. Inherent with the use of productive mobile equipment are there many potential hazards that can result from: A, large mass in motion. When it comes to electricity, actually, electricity, a great friend but a deadly enemy, ang sabi nga nila. The major hazards of electricity are electrical shock and the accompanying possibility of death. Fatal electrical shock can be sustained with high voltage of 120 or less current as low as 50 to 200 milliamperes. So make sure na laging ligtas ang ating mga employer sa anumang sakuna or danger inside the construction site. So kailangan lahat ng mga nabanggit ay laging aware ang ating company o ang ating construction firm. And take note, lagi talagang dapat mayroong safety officer na nakatalaga sa isang construction project. Thank you very much and God bless us all.